Okay, teachers, here it is. I'm going to show you how to access the ebooks that we have on our Destiny catalog. So if you go to Yadkin County Schools, go to Students and head down to Destiny. From here you will want to click on Yadkinville Elementary and you need to log in. Now your login is going to be the first letter of your first name followed by your last name. Mine is a little different, so make sure you're just doing the first letter of your first name and then your last name. And then your password is the number you use to log in to Timekeeper and click Login. Your tabs are going to look a little different across here because I have admin rights and you don't. So you want to go to Catalog. And then you can search for things here using keyword title, but this year I'm teaching the kids to use Destiny Discover over here on the left. I think it's a lot more user-friendly. So if you'll click on Destiny Discover, here is what Destiny Discover looks like. So on this first carousel, you see our recently added books. These are the ones that are in our catalog. You're welcome to click See All. We have the most popular titles of the books that have been checked out. You do see some for some Chromebooks. And you also see whether the book is out or whether the book is in. Students can also search for books by topics. By clicking here, they will see different books that are listed under those topics. But what I'm wanting to focus with you today are the ebooks. So you can go through the carousel to see what we have. You can also click See All. When you select See All, you've got a lot of different filters you're welcome to use. And then you see our ebooks. So let's go down here and say that you're going to study Rainforest. So you want to click Open. It is signing you into our Mac and Via account. It is now a one-click. You can check this book out. If you're going to use this over multiple days, I recommend you checking it out so you can come back to it. You can add it to your favorites, and you can cite the source, which I'll be working with the kids on that. But we're just going to say Open Now. The ebook will open in the reader. Should not have to load anything with this particular reader because it's all internet-based. You can zoom in, zoom out. You can change so that you have one page at a time. You can scroll up and down with the mouse roller on your mouse. You can come right here. You can add notes or you can do bookmarks. So that is that control. You can actually mark this page if you want to. You have the arrow that allows you to turn the page. You can zoom in or zoom out as needed. It does take it just a second to do that. Alright, so now I can see the whole page of what I'm reading. You can also, it has a read to you feature.
Mature rainforest tree soars up towards the sunlight in an Indonesian forest. Mature rainforest tree soars up towards the sunlight in an Indonesian.
As you see, you can change the speed and you can change the voice. So you can try that, and that may help some students. You have another menu here where you can close the book. You can go to your notebook, table of contents, information about it. You can search the book and citations. So let's say we're done with the book. We can close it. You could also click the X that was in the corner to close the book, and now you're back to here. If you want to go back to see the other books, this has actually opened a new tab. So I would go back to Destiny, and now I'm back in with my ebooks. If I'm finished in my ebooks, here's my arrow to go back, and then you could search for popular titles, subjects, etc. I will be working with the kids, teaching them how to do this. They're going to have login information as well. Their login is just like their email address, the first part of it. I'm trying to keep things consistent to make it easier for them. So if you have any questions, feel free to let me know. Hopefully this helps you out how to find those ebooks and how to search for books in our catalog here at Yadkinville. Hope everybody has a great day.